What's up, my lifers and world changers? Welcome to Angie and Real Life Empowerment TV. I am your host, Angie. Before we get too far into this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't gotten a channel membership, what are you waiting for? Today, for you guys that are new, thank you for coming in. I see that we're getting new subscribers every day, so thank you guys and welcome to the family. And for those that are returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. I love you guys. You guys are the wind beneath my algorithm. For those of you who do not know, what we do on this channel is we empower people to succeed in everyday life. And today we are in the kitchen cooking. We are cooking today and we are making slow cooker mac and cheese. A slow cooker mac and cheese. So I hope that's something that you're interested in. The weather is changing. Mac and cheese is easy. You got them kiddies. You want to make a quick Sunday dinner. Or if you need to run out to the store to get a few things, you want to put your meal on. It takes about 3 hours to cook. Look, I'm excited. I've made this before. And it is a great recipe. You guys are going to love it. If that seems like or sounds like something that you want to hear, then come on back, y'all, and we will be in the kitchen. What else did I want to say? Oh, crock pot slow cooker September. So from the rest of the month, every video that you guys be getting from me, it will be a slow cooker recipe. So slow cooker September. If you have some slow cooker recipes that you would like for me to try, comment below or email me at angieandreallife@gmail.com. Guys, I'm going to grab my apron, take off these glasses, get my hands washed.
Angie and Real Life. Angie and Real Life with one L. I am your hope dealer and your purpose pusher.
Okay, guys, we are now in the kitchen, and as you can see, we have all our ingredients here. We are doing slow cooker mac and cheese, guys. I've made this recipe several times before, and let me tell you how this thing is banging. So a few years ago, we had a lady that was from Arkansas, and she was an amazing cook, and she made this macaroni and cheese and brought it to us at work as a potluck. She gave me the recipe. I have no idea what I did with it, but I just came up with my own over the years. So I also found one on the internet that was by Trisha Yearwood. So I kind of like followed her recipe and then tweaked it a little bit for my own. So what we have here, what you would need is some cooking spray. And of course you need a cooking spray so that you can line the bottom of the crock pot. Unless you have a crock pot liner, I would say go with that, because let me tell you, honey, this thing is the devil to clean. You also need 8 ounces of macaroni already cooked. Here I have a little more than 8 ounces, and I didn't cook it completely. The recipe calls for cooked, but I stopped it a little bit, so it's parboiled, so it's not completely done, because it's going to cook a little bit in the crock pot. So you have the macaroni. You're also going to need 1 and 1/2 cups of whole milk. I did not have whole milk, so I used half and half. Okay, use what you got. A 1/4 cup or a stick of butter. Boom. I'm gonna plug my crock pot up so it can get a little warm. Will it go that far? No, we'll leave it. We'll leave it. Okay. Your macaroni. You're also gonna need 1 1/2 cups of milk. You need your stick of butter. Boom. I'm just gonna open this and drop it in there. Booyah. Then you, oh no. No, y'all. No. Don't put it in there yet. You wanna spray first. This recipe takes about 2 hours. Make sure you spray your pot real good. Cause baby, look. Then I'm gonna drop your stick of butter, because you need that in there as well. You also need 2 large eggs beaten. Boom. You need 2 10-ounce blocks of cheese or 5 cups of cheese. So as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cups of cheese. I have 5 different blends. I have mozzarella. I have 5 different cheeses that I like. You can pick whatever cheese you choose, but because I had this on hand, these are the cheeses that I decided to use, and it has to be at least 5 cups, okay? Then you need a pinch of, then my seasonings that I have in here is onion powder, garlic powder, accent, paprika, black pepper. I didn't add too much salt because of the fact the macaroni is salted from me boiling it. You also will need a 12-ounce can of not condensed milk, but evaporated milk. Condensed milk and evaporated milk are 2 different things. Evaporated condensed milk is thick and sweet. So I should have had this open already. 1 of your cup of cheeses, you want to reserve that for the top. So now let's start adding it. Slow cooker is sprayed, stick of butter is in. We're gonna add. Okay guys, we're speeding up the process. So here we're adding all the ingredients that we talked about previously. I even added an additional ingredient, which was sour cream. I love sour cream in my macaroni and cheese. When I bake it in the oven, I add sour cream to it as well. So we're mixing all the ingredients. My favorite sour cream is Daisy, so that's what that was. Mixing all the ingredients up very, very well. Keep watching. We are back in the kitchen. Our first hour is over, and let's take a look. Let's take a look. This is how it's looking. Here we go. This is after 1 hour. Ooh, y'all, do y'all see that? I mean, this light is not giving enough justice. Let me get y'all. Make sure when you stir it that you get the bottom, because what happens is the bottom and the sides will actually brown. Ooh, y'all look at that pool. Ooh, y'all, I want to taste this to see if I need to add any salt to it. Y'all don't be judging me. I know it's raw eggs in there. Well, it's cooked an hour. Them eggs is done by now. Ooh! Let me get a taste. That is going to be good. I feel like I got more macaroni than cheese. All right. That's hour number 1. Hour number 1. We're going to put the lid back on it. And we're going to come back for another hour. Y'all look at that cheese. Be back in the hour. Okay, guys. At this point, we're 2.5 hours in. And y'all, the sides are crisping. Look at that golden brown. The bottom, look at that. Oh my God, crispy grilled cheese, y'all. For all y'all crispy cheese lovers, that's why I told you guys to stir it up really, really good, because the sides and the bottoms will burn, but they do get crispy. We're covering it up, and we're gonna let it cook for another 20, maybe 10, 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. But I think I did 15 minutes. It's been about 20 minutes, and this, I'm gonna stop this timer. because this macaroni is, y'all look at that. I'm gonna get y'all down in the pot. Like I need you in the pot. Man, look at that. Y'all, I'm gonna get ready to get some of this. I'm gonna reach down in the deep bottom. Ooh. Let's get some of that top part. Whew. Y'all, I love black pepper on mac and cheese. So I'm getting ready to sprinkle some black pepper on this. And we get ready to do the final taste. Y'all look at that. I know it. I know it. Get your bowl. Get your bowl. Go ahead and get your bowl. Can you imagine how this is gonna look after just coming together? Y'all look at that cheese.